Hello everyone. Say you're taking a ski trip to Japan and you're traveling from Australia. You need to exchange your Australian dollars in exchange for Japanese yen. And this is foreign exchange. It's the exchange of one country's currency in exchange for another country's currency. Now there are so many countries across the planet and they all have their own currencies and the value is constantly changing against each other. If you're a trader, you will notice the change in valuations and arbitrage that to actually gain some profit. But if you don't calculate the risk properly, you can end up with a loss. And in order to lock some profit, you need to have some principles and disciplines yourself. And that requires a proper training course. Now there's a lot of courses out there on the internet which claim to actually teach foreign exchange, but they oversell themselves, and honestly, a lot of them are not that great. I just made friends with Anthony Bouchard this year because a couple of his fascinating posts, and I was like, wow, this guy is amazing. I would actually have like a coffee with him sometime just to have a chat. And I didn't even know that he was trading foreign exchange, but over time we started sending each other's messages, and I figured out he was a foreign exchange dealer. And he told me about this course he actually put out because of his passion for teaching people. His focus was foreign exchange, and he had this program called Reversal Master. And I was immediately interested in that, and I signed up for it, and I was absolutely blown away. It just showed me how little I knew about foreign exchange. In foreign exchange, the patterns are actually governed by some absolutely fascinating aspects that Anthony very, very articulately captures and explains to his students. You actually go through a bunch of videos once you sign up for the course, and there are bespoke sessions that Anthony offers where he'd get online with you and spend a couple of hours making sure that you understand the concepts as well. But how is this different from, say, a textbook on foreign exchange? Well, this actually captures the foreign exchange markets as they're developing. So there's the fundamental core part where you learn about foreign exchange, and then there's the add-on part where Anthony posts weekly videos just to give you an update of where the foreign exchange markets are, where they're likely to go, and so on and so forth. All this will teach you how to mitigate the risk so you can lock in your profit efficiently. Now, if your personal goals are to save some money for that upcoming holiday of yours, or if they're slightly bigger to pay off like your college debt, or even much bigger in the long term, foreign exchange knowledge is always beneficial because, let's just face it, we're all single income individuals. It's good to have multiple incomes and ensure that you're capturing the value as you go to sleep, per se. And that's the part where I'd like to comment a little bit on the philosophy aspect around the program as well. Anthony Bouchard just doesn't teach you foreign exchange. That's the core part of it. He also shares a lot of philosophy which will keep you constantly motivated and help you achieve your goals. So it's difficult to stay motivated in today's world where you're constantly stressed out from a full-time job, your personal circumstances, your family, and so on and so forth. So it's great to have someone who puts in the effort to constantly keep you motivated. And I found that Anthony is an extraordinary motivator. He's got philosophy that will help you constantly add perspective and not think negatively, but turn every circumstance into a positive. And I would sign up for the Reversal Master course just for the philosophy that Anthony offers. And the foreign exchange is amazing, and it just takes it to the next level. So I would definitely recommend that everyone who's got interested in foreign exchange, you check out the Reversal Master course and sign up for it and experience it firsthand. It's not that expensive, and it's like a one-time charge. And I'm a current student, and I've actually not completed the course yet. I'm still training with Anthony, and I'm absolutely blown away. It's worth every penny. It's, you know, it's worth checking out, definitely. It's not about the money. Anthony really loves teaching people, and you know, you feel it in every single dialogue you have with him. So thanks for watching this video, and wish you guys all the best in your goals. I hope the Reversal Master program can only help you out and make your life better. Thank you.